major drug haul, possibly one of the largest ever drug seizures. This consignment that has been caught in India's maritime border, 3,100 kgs of drugs seized at the Indian maritime border. Joint operation of the Indian Navy, the Narcotics Control Bureau and Gujarat ATS. 5 Pakistani crew members have been caught with drugs worth crores of rupees. The Indian Navy has achieved great success in this operation. Brijesh Doshi, my colleague, is now joining me live for more on this. Brijesh, what more can you tell us about this massive drugs haul by the Indian Navy and the Narcotics Control Bureau and Gujarat ATS?
Definitely, Paulami, this has been one of the largest apprehension of the Narcotics Bureau as well as Indian Navy and Gujarat ATS. This is one of the major concerns which was caught by these 3 agencies together in a collaborated operation last evening. Today, Indian Navy will brief about the details of the operation around 11 or 12 p.m. In the morning. So we are waiting for that confirmation from the Indian Navy. But as per the sources, this has been the largest consignment which was caught by the agencies in the Indian maritime border, near the maritime border from the Indian side. This will be the largest consignment as well. There are 5 suspected crew members from which are the originated from the Pakistan. So might be this consignment was coming from the Pakistan as well. But the details will be briefed by the Indian Navy officials from around 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. So we will be able to know by 12 p.m. Whether they are the Pakistanis or the coming from Pakistan or the other places. Earlier, Gujarat ATS has seized crores of drugs from the Indian Sea near the Indian border as well. So this is one of the major consignment which was done by the Indian Navy. All the information or the tip was from the Navy side, but as it is near by the Gujarat ATS was involved. Gujarat ATS, NCB and Indian Navy, all 3 agencies have been combined did this operation. So now we are waiting for the official points from the Indian Navy, how these drugs was sent and where it has to be landed. Whether the last point was Gujarat or Mumbai or other places, everything will be given by the Indian Navy officials from a short while from now. So we are just waiting for the confirmation from the Indian Navy side.
So the Indian Navy will be holding a press conference, Brijesh, as you're telling us, which will in fact give out details of this massive drug consignment which has been seized, I beg your pardon, by the Indian Navy, the Gujarat ATS and the Narcotics Control Bureau. Any specifics that you're picking up in terms of the contraband which has been seized by the 3 agencies?
See, right now there is not more information given by the Indian Navy or the ATS. They are just saying that please wait for the official words from the Indian Navy, as this operation was mostly done by the Indian Navy. Gujarat ATS was just in a hand with Indian Navy. But as for the drugs is concerned, it was hashish, methamphetamine and morphine was seized. Around 3,100 kilogram drugs has been seized by these 3 agencies. So now we have to wait for the officials from the Navy how they seize this or how they got the information about this largest consignment which was seized by these 3 agencies. So we have to wait for the official words from the Navy officials around 11 a.m. They are holding a press conference at 11 a.m. and the picture will be clear after 11 a.m.